जो लोग हमारी क्लास के नहीं हैं, स्पाउसेस फैमिली, फारूकी साहब हमारे वो टीचर थे जिनकी क्लास में साइलेंस नाम की कोई चीज़ नहीं होती, नॉट फॉर अ सिंगल सेकेंड, until the end there was a huge roar and he accepted that. आप लोगों ने, हम सब ने यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था. Who remembers this door clearly? All of us. It's been 3 decades almost when we got into this door. It's a long time. It just takes one laughter to connect us together. So it's 30 years gone. 30 years completely gone. But all of us were not as wise as this child was. This child was, हम इसको ऐसे बाबा नहीं कहते. There was a reason for us to call him Baba, because he thought कि यार हम सारे इधर उधर निकल जाएंगे. Let's put them together in a group.
I like to see you every year, and now I have to wear my glasses. Simi Sada. Very happy again, gathered together after such a long time. It looks like a time machine. But I'm very happy with you.
Thank you.
Next name. Masood Ahmed.
आप बहुत हैंडसम और खूबसूरत लग रही हैं। और कॉलेज का ज़माना आ गया जब आप रोल नंबर 1 थी तो स्टिल सेम लुक से।
Take more than 1 second. Thank you. Zayyad Asif Shah. अभी तो ठीक है, बादशाह हमारे हैं। अनार के भी हाजिर हैं। So here is the name, and then your 30 seconds.
Thank you.
नहीं, सवीना की काफी कर चुके हैं लोग. मैं आप सब लोगों की तारीफ करूंगा. You are all, it was really a pleasure to be on.
Full Sivina.
And it's just a great occasion. सब लोगों से मिलना, सब लोगों से इकट्ठा होना. Especially thank you for arranging it, Asif and Sunil. Very nice. And all the colleagues. Ironically, Dr. Zafar Nasrullah.
It's great to be here.
कुछ नहीं, असल में मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. डॉक्टर शाहिद
मौलाना साहब, शाहिद साहब,
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. बहुत अच्छा कल से लग रहा है. लग रहा है कि जैसे 25 साल बाद अपनी फैमिली से बिछड़ के दोबारा मिलना। बहुत थैंक यू वेरी मच। असद ज़हीर many thanks to Asim and all the other friends who really made this happen, and it's wonderful feeling. Thank you very much, and let's continue to enjoy it. Thank you. राना मोहम्मद सरवर।
हाँ जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं जिन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है उनका इंतहाई मशकूर हूँ कि उन्होंने हम सब लोगों को ये एक इंतहाई अहम मौका फराहम किया है, और ये हमारे लिए इंतहाई खुशी की बात है कि इतने अरसे के बाद और इतना खूबसूरत इवेंट है ये, जिसको हम हमेशा याद रखेंगे, और शायद ये ज़िंदगी में हमें फिर कभी मौका मिलता है या नहीं। तो अल्लाह ने अगर दिया तो ये इसको इट शुड बी कंटिन्यू, और ये बहुत अच्छी बात है अगर इसको जारी हम रख सकें। और थैंक यू वेरी मच अगेन फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स एंड ऑल ऑफ यू। मीर अहमद पट्टी।
Assalamu alaikum to everybody. I work as a cardiologist at Mayo Hospital, Lahore. I sincerely congratulate Mr. Asim and his team for organizing this event, and would like it to continue every year or at least biannually. और हमें पता है कि जो लोग बाहर से आते हैं उन्होंने बहुत एफर्ट की and they made it for us. We are very happy to see them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The next presenter.
Nayab.
Logi.
Nayab. I'll call upon Bilal Ahmed to come and recap the college life that we had. Bilal.
Hello.
मुझे when this thing was getting arranged and I was asked to do something, I said कि शायद मैं कुछ ऐसी story सुना दूँ which will link different years, all of us together. And I have a lot of stories. I remember a lot of things. I remember faces. And then मैं भूल गया. अभी आसिम ने मुझे कहा यार तुमने मुझे कहा था कि you're gonna do something. मैं तो भूल गया यार. Anyway, so I put some things together so they may not link with the pictures, and I'll keep it very short. These were our faculty at that time. We owe a lot to them. They taught us everything that we know today. What we are in life today is because of them. I think if you know the root meaning of doctor in Latin, it means teacher. So Sajid Abdullah की मुझे कहानी याद आ रही है जो कि आमिर वहीद जिसकी अभी फोटो आई थी इंदुलिल्लाह, आमिर और मैं इकट्ठा वाइवा दे रहे थे एनाटमी का फाइनल वाइवा, और उस एनाटमी हॉल में एक मक्खी फिर रही थी। मैडम साजिदा अब्दुल्ला इन इनएविटेबल स्टाइल उसको जो बंदा उधर था उसके पास वो फ्लाई स्वॉटर उसको कहती हैं यार इसको मक्खी को मारो। वो बेचारा ही कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द मक्खी सो मच, वो आमिर वही पे बैठ गई, जोर से मारा। Amir Wahid, as you know, he was a very nice man, but he was very anxious as well on occasions. उसको पीछे से जैसे ही वो पड़ा, he jumped off the stool, he fell down and he lost consciousness. मैडम कहती है मैंने तुम्हें कहा था मक्खी मारो बंदा ना मारो। चीमा साहब एक दिन वो इंग्लिश में पढ़ाते he would switch to Punjabi and he wouldn't realize it. एक दिन वो पढ़ा रहे थे about beta blockers and everything and he switched to Punjabi, तो वो शुरू हो गए तो फिर दवाई यह कर दी तो फिर यह कर दी फॉलो कर, and we were sitting there and we had some Arab students in our class if you remember them, and he got up, he said, sir, I don't understand you. He says, why? He says, I can't understand what you're speaking. कहते थे मेरी माँ इंग्लिश बोलती थी तो पैदा हुई थी। आपको याद होगा हमारे पास एक होते थे क्लिनिकल कार्ड्स हमें साइन कराने पड़ते थे, so we all had them. You had to go present a case and somebody signed the card for you. अब you know, even though I was a good student, I wasn't that good a student. मैं क्लासों में नहीं जाता था। जो कार्ड थे वो I don't know that who that person was. He was an expert in forging signatures. वो कहता था कि ये कार्ड लगा दो लाइन में, so you get about 100 cards. He would start a signature, you know, अपना अकनवास साहब का, नाडू साहब का, सब
I think one of the reasons we're so close together is the campus. I think the Birdwood campus stuff, it was so well knit, but open campus नहीं था. And we ran into each other 20 times a day. वो जब चक्कर लगाते थे ना, I don't know if the girls know that, they would say पूंडी का रसिम. So we would do the पूंडी like 7 times a day. तो तवाफ करते थे और पूरे उसका तो we got to know each other very well. I think that's a part of why we're so close. And thank you again for all the people who brought us together. So thank you.
Thank you very much, Bilal, for a lovely recap of what we had and what we will, inshallah, have. They have the reviews from all you who are already here. Let's move on. Now I'll call upon one very famous guy, very vibrant, very nutcut, and without him, this would not have been an occasion. Call upon Mr. Zaka to come up and say a few words about his experience, what he had and what he is going through right now. Zaka.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Thank you नायाब. किस्मत अपनी अपनी मैंने नायाब लंदा पे. चलो. मुझे अभी नायाब ने कहा कि जी आपने ऊपर आना है और कॉलेज डेज की बातों को शेयर करना है. पहली तो बात है कि हमारा एक ये बैच होता था और जितने भी लोग थे ना, और इसके अलावा भी हम सब नदीम शुजा और मास्टर दीमू के शुक्रगुजार हैं कि 3rd ईयर 4th ईयर फाइनल हमारे सारे कार्ड उसी ने साइन किए थे. यस, दैट्स ट्रू.
Batul Qasim. Either. And now. Okay, but only for 30 seconds, my dear. Now I have it. Now I'm So first of all, thank you so much everybody for coming here, and thank you everybody for organizing this. And a big part of this is Suhail, who in April I had gone to London and he had remembered that 30 years ago I had beaten him in table tennis. He remembered it, दिल को लगा के बैठा था और अपने घर में मुझे रात को 10 बजे कहता है टेबल टेनिस खेलनी है. मैंने कहा चल. तो and he got the table tennis inside the house. तो इसकी अपनी टेबल, अपना इसका रैकेट, और पहली गेम उसने मुझे फैंटी लगा दी ना. सेकंड गेम में मैंने कहा ठहर जाओ जरा, जूते मैंने उतार के नंगे पाँव खेला. And I beat him the second game, and third match we had here yesterday. I think that's been so very very precious. And इसके 4 बच्चे देख रहे थे, मेरे बच्चे देख रहे हैं और सब कह रहे थे पागल हो गए, सारे उठ के चले गए थे, हम लोग तो खेल रहे थे table tennis. I think that was, I think for me, a big start of how you can become 25 years ago the same person. So I hope, and this is such a precious time. On a more serious note, this is इसका तो कोई value भी नहीं आप कर सकते, you know. And I think we should just make एक dream लग रही है. कल से मुझे लग रहा है कि it's a dream, and it's so wonderful to see everybody. And I agree we should do this on a regular basis. All right, thank you, Miss Margaret.
इंसान अपनी जिंदगी में फेम, एजुकेशन, एवरीथिंग अचीव कर लेता है, बट प्रेशियस फ्रेंड्स जो है, इट्स अ बिग ब्लेसिंग फ्रॉम गॉड, और वी आर वेरी ब्लेस्ड, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. थैंक यू से यासिर, कामरान, बहुत लोगों ने बहुत एंजॉय. थैंक यू. Oh my God! One and only Suhail Chukai. Well done.
Thank you.
Very proud to be an Iqbalian 87.
Thank you. I think a coincidence था, it was just a planned thing. आप लोग ऐसे बैठे हैं तो ये लग रहा है जैसे आई एम एक्चुअली बैक 25 years ago. Really, honestly, I feel that. I think this is a promise to ourselves. Okay, we should really have the vigor, the energy we generated today, and let's spread it in the next 25 years, bit by bit. कि हम लोग ऐसे रहें. It's wonderful to see you. I'm overwhelmed by the emotions. मैं आपको स्कोर बता देता हूँ कि कल बतूल ने मुझे हरा दिया था. But I will remember it and I'll challenge you again on this stage. But she is a wonderful player and thank you very much all. बहुत शुक्रिया आप सबका. मेरे 30 सेकंड भी पूरे हो गए. Thank you. In fact, I want to tell this. Dr. Syed Nayyar Abadi. हमारी क्लास में से पहले डॉक्टर हैं जिन्होंने MBE लिया है. MBE is given from the Social Services and Community Services in the UK. So a big hand for Nayyar.
आपको याद होगा मैं बैक बेंच पे पीछे बैठ के कभी गाया करता था, गुनगुनाया करता था. वो मैं थोड़ी सी चीजें आपको सुनाता हूँ. ये मेरा थोड़ा हौसला अफजाई करोगे. कौन कहता है मोहब्बत की जुबान होती है. डॉक्टर सैयद अहमद अली हसन.
It's a coincidence, two neurologists of AIMC together.
Thank you very much. I'll also take just a little more than 30 seconds as a tribute to the organizers, our friends, everybody who's present here, those who couldn't make it, and those of us who unfortunately are now not in this world. Just a few lines. मासूम कदमों की आहट को पतझड़ की आवाज ने दबा दिया तो क्या हुआ. मिट्टी के घरौंदे वक्त की लहरों ने मिटा दिए तो क्या हुआ. क्या ये काफी न था कि हम और तुम साथ थे, और आज क्या ये काफी न है कि हम और तुम साथ हैं. Thank you.
Thank you very much for putting this wonderful program together. So we can share the memories and we can imagine the days when we were together, and this meeting or this reunion will happen again. Thank you very much. I will invite Dr. Yasmeen Saif to come over the stage.
You want to say something?
I'm really happy to see all of you together here. Thank you. Nayab Shaukat.
Next name.
Just want to share one thing. Suhail यहाँ आए, Batul यहाँ आई. They never mentioned my name. Who got the better of those two? Just wanted to share that this is wonderful. I don't have words to express. All I can say is that let's make it a regular affair. And please, those who are not here, use any strategy, push or pull. I mean, they must attend this wonderful evening. Let's keep these expats who have actually made it possible, because if they were not the driving force, we wouldn't be here. And on this note, I think thank you Allah, thank you all for being here and making it a good occasion. Thank you.
Next name is Bilal Ahmed.
It's my privilege कि सारे चमकते सितारे हमारे टर्नओवर में भी आ रहे हैं. It's a real honor. Bilal is our best graduate and still proliferating. You know.
I hope it's not burning. I've had my 15 minutes of fame, so I won't take long. The next name is Farhana Muzaffar.
Farhana Muzaffar is a dermatologist. I think she's a professor of dermatology. I think this is the only girl in our class in Pakistan who touches dermatology.
बहुत अच्छा लगा सबसे मिलके और लगा कि जैसे हम पहले क्लास में सुहेल मोहम्मद सुहेल कुरैशी.
Suhail Qureshi.
I think I'm the only one who is doing an engineering job after doing MBBS. Please call the next one. Riyaz Ahmed.
अब बहुत खुशी हो रही है और अल्लाह ताला का बहुत बहुत शुक्र है कि उसने हमें इतना मौका दिया और इतना वक्त दिया कि आज हम फिर इकट्ठे हैं. दुआ है कि अल्लाह ताला हमें मजीद मौका दे हम दोबारा इकट्ठे हो सकें. आसिम अमजद.
Baba the Great. आसिम को तो मेरे सब जानते हैं. हमारा क्रिकेट कैप्टन, हमारा बाबा बेली बाबा.
पहले तो यार मैंने दसो मेरा नाम किन्ने रखे है. जानू आ गया. कोई है टेकर? एनी टेकर्स? ये राशिद अल्ताफ रांझे ने रखा था. अल्लाह उसको मगफरत दे और जन्नतुल फिरदौस में जगह दे. Thank you very much for attending and I hope we continue this again. The next one is Nasir Mahmood.
Please, Nasir.
Thank you, it's nice gathering. Thank you, Facebook, Dr. Hassan and Dr. Kamran Modi. It should be, I wish it should be done every year. Thank you. Ansar Saqib.
Ansar Saqib.
It's a really a wonderful occasion and I'm so happy to see all of you after many years. God bless you all. Thank you so much.
It was the same thing as what she said. It's nice to see you all after, I believe most of you I've seen after 25 years. 25 years. I wasn't there for 2 hours. It was 25 years. So thank you very much for the program.
First of all, I would like to thank Suhail, Kamran and Asim and Nayab also for having the energy to organize this wonderful occasion to see Grade. It's a pleasure to be with all friends after so many years, and inshallah I hope that we can meet on yearly basis. Thank you very much. God bless. Yasmin Bakar on the stage, please.
I am working as sonologist in Karachi, and it's wonderful to see all of you. And yesterday I was so happy and excited when I said, "Ammi, मैं college जा रही हूँ."
Next is Dr. Abid Hussain.
आप तमाम को देख के बहुत खुशी हो रही है और दुआ है कि अगले 25 साल भी इसी तरीके से आप तमाम लोग खुश और खुर्रम नए आइंदा मिल सकें. Mr. Albert William.
It's great to be back in Lahore and among familiar faces and friends. I hope we continue this tradition more often. Thank you very much. चौधरी मोहम्मद ताहिर.
Tahir is working as a dermatologist. Thank you, everybody.
That was short and sweet. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. एक तो I feel के जो बाहर लोग हैं हमारे वो बड़ी पेस पे चलते हैं. उनकी जो ईमेल की पेस है that is too fast. One. दूसरी चीज मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि काइंडली ये उसको जरा सा स्लो डाउन करें और सीरियस नोट पे ये है कि वी टॉक ऑफ टेकिंग बिग स्टेप्स. आई रियली फील कि यू पीपल फील अ लॉट फॉर योर कंट्री एंड यू पीपल वांट टू डू अ लॉट.
And I wish you should all follow this. अल्लाह भी आप सबको ये दे. छोटे बच्चे अभी नहीं. You are missing a lot then. आप मुझे बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं. And I am so happy to see you all. और अल्लाह भी आप सबको बहुत खुश रखे. And let me tell you boys, you all look still very handsome and girls are still very hot.
Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, deans, professors, associates and assistant professors, registrars, medical officers, general practitioners, bureaucrats and other technocrats, businessmen, stockbrokers, laborers, and the occasional swindlers. It gives me great pleasure to address you all when you are all still alive. Most of us are passing through their midlives with or without a crisis. Many or a majority have a pain in the, have wives and children. I knew it was wrong here. Some who don't have them may not have missed anything, but still, it's a matter of opinion anyway. As we look back, a quarter of a century has passed since we left Birdwood Road, and we see what highlighted this period. That's after what all these people discussed about.
So there are two grannies over here of the AIMC 87 class. It's nice to meet you all again after such a long time. Thank you very much.
अब मैं इनवाइट कर रहा हूँ उस बंदे को जिसने ये सारी चीज़ें ऑर्गेनाइज की और टेबल टेनिस के मैच खेले और हार भी गया, लेकिन मैं फिर भी उसको समझता हूँ कि मैं जीत गया. लेकिन इंशाल्लाह अगले साल बदूल से जीतेगा तो कोई बात नहीं, घबराने की बात नहीं.
सहज चलता है. बुला के बहुत बड़ा रिस्क लिया है, लेकिन मैंने जो दुआ कराई थी वो कबूल हो गई. इसने बहुत सारी बातें नहीं की. थैंक यू. अच्छा, अभी यासर ने कहा कि behind every successful man there is one woman, and I think behind every unsuccessful man there are two. और मिसबा ने नासिर का जिक्र किया. नासिर is such a great man. स्कॉटलैंड में इतनी तेज बारिश थी all the way down, and there was a reunion in London at my home, and that gentleman on request of Misbah drove 6 hours all the way down. We request Misbah came all the way down. Nasir, salam to you.
Very loving request.
Very loving request. Achha guys, just a little quick session and we'll head towards the Croyer. Who is here from this picture? Is he here? Who is this guy?
That's you.
You.
Who is one and only.
And that's Kamal Salim. Anybody here from this group? See, Sabina, Misbah, Shazana. So just a little recap of your college life. Zaka Saab, hats off to you. Still same funny guy, same humorous. I wonder how you kept your sense of humor there alive. Did you get married? शादी शुदी हुई? अच्छा, सर्जरी पास की, ठीक है. and anybody here?
Hassan Raza.
Hassan Raza, that's right, yeah. Me also. And that's Imran sitting. Can you see Tanveer Bhatti here? And that's our disco. Dodi इतनी pictures में है, जहाँ कहीं click होता था वहाँ Dodi होता था. For some reason. I think he. Really? Are they all your pictures? So he was behind and after the camera as well. And that's Kaman. Is it a coincidence? And this was actually month of December, the same month. Salman's mother let us have a birthday party together. And I think it's a great memory. That is Salman's home, and we had this little joint party. We have birthday in December, and he allowed us to have a party there. And this is Riaz, Ibad, Kamran, Salim. KKs are always together, 2 Ks. That's Shazad. So, where is Sumaira here? Sumaira Zafar. Sumaira Zafar. There is she. That is our smart. Bilal, how come you have kept the same looks? We want to know, please. All of us want to know.
God gifted.
Farah looks after him very well.
This was a wonderful little get-together at Bilal's home. I don't know this gentleman. Is he a class fellow?
No, Mr.
No. Okay.
I used to go there at USA to Bilal.
So people travel a lot in states and they meet each other. Now, I think what we do is we'll cut it short at this picture. We'll move on.
10 minutes to 4. 10 minutes to 4.
10 minutes, okay. So I think at this point, I request Batul Qasim to come on the stage. Even she's beaten me yesterday. I don't know how I'm able to request that. बड़ी दुश्मनी आपसे लेकिन आपको फिर भी बुला लेते हैं.
जवाब देते थे नहीं आपका.
नहीं आपने क्या कहा?
तुम एक्स्ट्रा थे, हम हीरो हीरोइन थे, तो इसलिए तुम्हारा नाम नहीं लिया था.
विलन था ये. विलन था ये. विलन था. हीरो कैसे हो गए? हीरो भी तो हो गए. Villain से.
We are standing between food and.
That is actually very risky thing. So we have to make very quick and snappy. So Janab, you've got the slips. Can you remember this person?
Sohail Qureshi.
That's him now. Sohail Qureshi. इसने बहुत help किया Sohail. Thank you very much. In fact, he and Dodi went to the college to take all these pictures. Thank you very much. Hamad. I think Hamad, this is, if people recognize you instantly, you haven't changed. It's a compliment.
Rami.
Haji Imran. Al Pacino, yes. Now he is Al Pacino look actually. Ashraf. Ashraf Saab, please stand up. And here is the gentleman sitting over right there.
Shazad Nisa.
Is it good we don't see your previous picture or bad?
Chup khade ho.
Where is Maroof?
Where is Maroof? Khade ho jao.
And here is Sabina. Now Amir has to come. Who is this guy? Baloch. जब 900 चूहे पूरे हो जाए तो फिर ऐसे ही होगा.
Thank the organizers, for this, and I'd also like to thank all of you, or some of you who shared your experiences, advice, and instructions, for what is to come. Thank you all.
We are writing a manual for you. It needs 3 months at least. Sorry.
Assalamu alaikum. It's nice to see you all. Hope to see you soon, inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you.
Sabina. I want to thank everyone's bitter butter halves, because without them nobody would have been able to do this. And especially my husband, who is taking care of my 3 kids back home in
I believe I should congratulate and hats off to Asim and Sohail. And these people have provided initiative and impetus to this whole thing. And I believe that this should be carried on, and momentum should be there in the next coming time. Dr. Sohail Murad. Thank you very much. This is all because of my friend, my divisional public school friend Asim, that I'm able to come here because I was not aware of all this, and he personally invited me, and it's so nice of him, and it's my really great good fortune.
It's a lovely evening, and I must say I've seen hundreds of beautiful evenings, but nothing like this in last 25 years. Because in this evening, the special thing is that we know everybody who has come on this evening. So nice to see you, and I think we should meet again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nausheen Siraj.
I think we owe our hundreds of thanks to the organizers who made every effort to bring us together after 25 years. It's lovely to see you all. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. A few years back, I was traveling somewhere, and they were very nice people, who very literally, and they share with me. उन्होंने कहा जी आदमी आदमी से मिलता है, दिल मगर कम किसी से मिलता है. And you know, in the back 25 years, such a gem of friends. And with a first call that I received on the Facebook, I responded. और उसमें यही मैं कहूँगा कि शहर में गांव में घूम आया, ये ना पूछो कि क्या क्या देखा, ये भी सोचो कि क्या ये जाना, प्यार है जिंदगी का गहना, मानो मेरा कहना. Thanks my friends.
दोस्तों, एक चीज़ तो मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि जो 1981 में ये पूरा ग्रुप इकट्ठा हुआ और ये एक फैमिली इकट्ठी हुई, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उस फैमिली के सब दोस्तों ने मिल के आपस में निभाया है. और कुछ ऐसे दोस्तों का मैं नाम लूँगा जिन्होंने और लोगों की ज़िंदगी में बहुत बड़ा एक रोल प्ले किया है, और मैं उनको चाहूँगा कि वो खड़े हों. बिलाल अहमद, ये वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने और लोगों को दोबारा चांस दिया जिंदगी में. एंड आई वुड से दैट आई लेफ्ट मेडिसिन बट आई वेंट बैक इन मेडिसिन बिकॉज ऑफ बिलाल एंड ही मेड इट. थैंक यू.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. वक्त एक दफा गुजर जाए तो वो वापस पलटता नहीं, लेकिन सलाम है इन सब दोस्तों को जिन्होंने बड़ी कामयाबी से वक्त को 25 साल पीछे की तरफ पलटाया है. और हमारी ये दुआ है कि ये भी एक ख़ानदान है हमारा, और हम 25 साल के बाद मिले हैं, लेकिन हमारी दुआ है कि इतना गैप जो आया है ये आइंदा ना आए, और हम फ्रीक्वेंटली मिलते रहें, और हमारे वैसे भी राब्ते जो है ना वो मजबूत रहें. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, ji. I've been lucky, notorious, whatever, all my life. I had a fight with Rahima in 3rd year. Thanks to Zaka Ghani. Paper plane चला रहा था, लगा Rahima को, फंस गया मैं. Say that I'm really honored to be here with my class fellows after so many years, and I had a great time over here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Dr. Amjad Iqbal, please come to the stage. And anybody else that we have not called the names, and somebody who's here.
I think we have some people have not listed their names, so kindly वो सब लोग जो stage पे इनके नाम नहीं ले सके वो kindly तशरीफ ले आए.
बलोच, आसम, वेरक, अमजद इकबाल उर्फ टार्जन, ख्वाजा मौजी, and females too, जो कभी कभार छुपा के मेरी हेल्प कर देती होती थी. I'm really grateful to all my friends, those who helped me in my college life. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
पीछे बहुत बेदर्दी से लोग खाने का इंतजार कर रहे हैं, इसलिए आप शॉर्ट कर रहे हैं.
Thank you. There's a good reason behind this, Highness. I think we have to hurry up the souvenirs so the food doesn't get cold. One more, please. That's for Salman. I think you want to say something to the
I just wanted to thank everybody for making it and being here and making it a successful event. And I would request the people who are in academics here in Lahore who could arrange for maybe short talks or other
interactions with the current crop of students from our college. And we'd be happy to participate in that. I myself come every year, and if given the opportunity, I'd be more than happy to teach or impart some of the knowledge that I've gained. And with that, I want to thank you all again for making it to this evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Salman. It's a wonderful contribution. I think we will have to conclude this session because the food is ready. So we will resume, inshallah, if we survive after this food. And there will be a photograph, there will be a cake cutting ceremony, there will be a photograph, and inshallah we'll conclude after that. Thank you. Enjoy the food. Serious काम होने end पे. I want to call Asim. He wants to share with you a very important aspect of this whole gathering.
So we should conclude it by blossoming it further. We should go one step ahead and maybe come up to a project where all of us we could participate. And in my opinion, this project is worthwhile looking at it. I have been following it for the last year and a half. Dodi and myself came to the college, went to the college for arranging this meeting, and where we discovered that there is a school there which is for grade 4 and below employees of this Allama Iqbal Medical College. Their kids can study there in an English medium. It is an English medium school. In an English medium environment, meaning that their syllabus is according to St. Anthony's School. And they hired a principal, Mrs. Tasneem, she's a very dedicated person, and she runs this school on her own. She has trained about 7 or 8 teachers, and each year they have been upgrading it to a further class. So far they have about 6 or 7 classes running there. They charge about 100 rupees per month from each kid, and they provide education, syllabus, books, and sometimes food as well. This is the school. She is the principal there, and this is the building. You can see it's just the starting point of the school.
And here we are standing at this stage. It is time for us to give back. And Asim jo kar rahe school ke saath mein, that's very laudable.
We have around 4,000 doctors which we leave there. Inshallah, I'll try and push those doctors to help this very worthy cause, to provide logistics and funds. And I have my own e-link through PVFX channel I run there. And I will provide the logistics to run and help and educate these kids. Inshallah, we'll all do it together. This is not the end, it's the beginning. Zindagi ka nisab baki hai. Abhi to sari kitab baki hai. अभी तो सारी किताब बाकी है. मेरे आसाब थक गए तो क्या, मेरी आंखों में ताब बाकी है. ज़का साहब ये आपके लिए है. That will goes to you. So I want to invite the guy who actually started the song, and I want to actually invite again Bilal to give him the souvenir, so that everyone knows that who started it, and Asim should also take something home back to tell his family and kids that I actually did something very good. Asim and Bilal.
I don't think there's much more to say except Asim, thank you again so much. Asim, okay. And I think we should do this again soon, maybe the next 5 years.
This one is not for me. But I'll tell you why this is here. This function would not have been possible. एक टाइम आया जब काबिल रोडी ने मुझे कहा, the guy who is collecting funds and everything, यार मुश्किल लग रहा, कुछ करो. Then I spoke to my friend Imran Asghar, who lives in Dubai and has a big business there, and asking her, कुछ करो हम लोग ये function नहीं कर पाएंगे. Just give us $500 so that we can cover the deficit. कहते नहीं मैं $500 नहीं दूँगा, मैं $2,000 दूँगा. आसिम इमाम को आइए. You don't want to just forget that. Jodi आप भी आइए. How can you forget this guy? So I invite you all to come cut the cake together and have a good day. All the class fellows who are here, all the class fellows, please join us. Let's enter the new year together, inshallah. And also Saqib has just offered his support for free lectures to all the medical community teaching activities. Thank you, Saqib.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, AIMC 1987. Happy birthday to you. May we have many more. May we have many more. Happy birthday, dear AIMC. Happy birthday to us all. Happy birthday. Imran Mir has volunteered to be the first candidate for no-charge colonoscopy. Everybody, all the family.